Kaching Pyndonkam ke Kyntien Jaidbynriew ki Rynsan Ïalap Elekshon ke Klalong kum kaching shim kabu ber Khlem-Akor da ki kertong beper la ong Professor Lakhon kama kertong Khlem-Seng je Elekshon MP Lok Sabha na Shillong parliamentary seat kaban long khat khandai trek yong Atiar apsaw habakran shikilat pathai khubor hading kaching wan thep kerteng ben khoni ki election haka arfun rutrek ulber Atiar apsaw Professor Lakhon kama la ong baro ki shukran Jaidbynriew Henry Kim don pat ya kaching sunyau.
This is where I think it has become a cliche now. Jaidbynriew has become a cliche because people have used and abused this term time and again. They remember Jaidbynriew only during election, whether MDC, MP or MLA. The moment they win and they are in the power, you will see they care least about the Jaidbynriew. And that's where I'm trying to say that whether I lose or win, for me, my community matters. Everybody, because I always believe we are a small community. See, why we have to remember that those who are staying in village, let's say in Kyrwoh or Nongstany or Secretariat or Nongpo, they are all our brothers and sisters. How can I dare to take the share of their money and eat and build a house for myself using the money that is supposed to go for their development? Where is the Jaidbynriew? Because when we see Jaidbynriew, I think this has been an abusive term now. I see people using it because they care least about Jaidbynriew. At least I can stand and say that I have been fighting for our people over and over, even when I was alone. All these incidents that has happened in you has a meaning, and that's why I said that when you say Jaidbynriew, show it, show. And so far we have not seen. If you elect me as a MP, I will show you what Jaidbynriew means. Jaidbynriew means if somebody is hungry and you have too much money with you, it's your job to feed them. If they are not getting good school and your children is going into the best school in this world, you are least bothered about you. Why don't you make their school better? If I can send my kids to school in Shillong or outside and they are getting all the facility, it is my job to make sure that a village in Kyrwoh area or Nongstany area also has to have the best of school, the best of PHCs, the best of CSC, the best of footpath, the best of road, the best of classroom, smart classroom and so on and so forth, good internet, and also the concern about the overall welfare. I don't see why I always worry with these politicians who are of the existing time is they say we love Jaidbynriew and they will try to instigate you to fight, come to the street. Once they are in power, they will be least bothered about you. Jaidbynriew means show it. I keep saying this. Show me how do you love Jaidbynriew. That is my question to all the leaders who are in existence. Show me, give me one example, give me one proof to say that you love Jaidbynriew because you are doing this. If you are least bothered about the suffering of your people, if you are least bothered about the suffering of people in a village, it means you care least about the Jaidbynriew. And this is going to change. And I'm not saying, you have not heard me saying many times that I love Jaidbynriew. I said I am the Jaidbynriew. I have to work for my people. It's my job. Nobody should tell me. It's my job to work for the Jaidbynriew. And this will be done while we work together as a team. Everybody has to join hands so that we can bring the visible change that is necessary, urgently necessary in our state.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jingmentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bhag ka jingim bakam bha Pyndonkam daki marba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.